Wix Easy Website, creating website in 8 minutes. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily build and set up our own site on Wix. Here we are on their dashboard, and in order to come to this page you first need to search for Wix and then just simply create an account. So let's get started. It's pretty easy to build our own website. We can easily launch it just in a few minutes. So let's click on create new site in the right top corner, and after that we'll come to next page where we need to choose the necessary template we'd like to use. In my case, I'm going to click on skip in the right bottom corner to skip all the steps because I would like to see all the templates, because basically Wix provides us the opportunity to interact with its templates for free. We can easily customize, and firstly we need to click on begin with the template right up here. Do not go to dashboard because you'll have to set up it otherwise. In my case, the best way of course is to use the template searcher. So here we are, and you need to find the necessary template as for you. There are a lot of different templates. Also we can find different categories right up here. As you can see, business and services, store, creative, community, and blog. In my case, let's say that I'd like to create a personal blog website. You can easily choose the most suitable variant as for you because next steps are the same. So in my case, I would like to use this one here. Let's click on view to see how will it look like as for us. As you can see, nothing hard. We have like social media stuff in the left side, a couple of posts, different like photos, and also the huge preview page. I think this is like really good variant. As you can see, all the websites are totally responsive. So now we just simply need to click on edit this site in the right top corner right up here, and in a few seconds our website will be automatically created, and all we need to do now is just simply customize all the things according to our choice. We can easily create or delete sections, create or delete different pages. Also we can manage other things. And as you can see, we can easily use AI to write our content. We can like add some details, and after that Wix AI will create its own article about that. I suggest you to try it by yourself. In my case, I'm going to show you how can we easily interact with all the stuff by ourselves. Basically, you need to know that all the things on Wix editor are divided into different sections according to like our website. We can see like this section here, this section here, this section here, and so on. So there are a couple of options we can do with our sections. We can delete them by simply clicking on more and then just simply click on delete. And also we can add a section. So we need to find the necessary position, for example here. Click on add a section, and after that we need to find the necessary template we'd like to use, like welcome page, about, team, contact, promotions, services, subscribe, testimonials, and so on. In my case, let's say that I have a team, and on my blog I would like to add like small section about team members like this. So also we can interact with this section by simply moving it down. So we can hover and then click on move section down, and after that just simply move it to the necessary position right up here. And basically that's all. We can move them up, move them down, delete, and add section. And also we can interact with every single object on our section. In order to do it, we need to click on quick edit, for example here, in order to find all the elements. So we can find like all the members, we can manage their image, paragraph, photograph, and so on. And the same way we can interact with every single object. For example, we can move this text, interact with what's inside, for example, my team members. We can then click on OK, and everything will be saved. Also, we can find a lot of different properties we can manage, like themes, fonts, font size, make it bold, italic, change the alignment, add some effects, and so on. It depends on your purposes and how would you like to interact. The same thing on this section, for example. We can click on quick edit to see all the content. We can see the layout, we can change the content, and also we can interact with what's inside right up here. So we can click on every single on this huge photo. As you can see, it was created not like a combination of photos, just like a photo. We can delete it, for example, and then just simply add something we would like to delete. In order to add elements, we can click on this plus icon and then just simply find the necessary thing. We can use like gallery stuff, we can use like single images and so on. Let's add a gallery. For example, we are going to add a gallery right up here. And then all we need to do is just simply fill it by our content we'd like to add. So as you can see, we need to add our images or manage this stuff here. So yeah, and the same stuff with every single element on the website. We can also switch between different pages. As you can see, we can find them in the top of the screen on our header. And we can click on manage menu to change the order. We can navigate through them. For example, we can open like blog page and some other stuff. The same thing, we can add pages here. We can click on more to delete this stuff. And yeah, this is definitely the easiest way to interact with the pages. Also, we can manage the wall site web design. We can change color themes, text themes, background, page background, and so on. We can integrate different apps. If you want to know how to do it, I suggest you to see my other tutorials. So there are a lot of options we can use apps about, like marketing, sell online, advice and events, media and contact, and so on. So basically nothing really hard. And also we can interact with our media, we can upload it and do some other stuff. So when our website was customized according to our purposes, we can easily publish it. In order to do it, we need to click on publish in the right top, and in a few seconds our website will be published to the internet, and we can view the website with the using of this link. As you can see, everything is working, but because of my plan, I have this banner in the top of the screen. This site was designed with Wix website builder, create website today. So if you don't want it to be on your website, you can easily upgrade your plan. And if you're going to compare plans, we can see that they provide us like different plans variants. We can see them according to our purposes: business elite, business core, or light. If you just want to create your website, it's enough for you to have a light like plan, 2 collaborators, 2 GB of storage space, light marketing suite, and 1 free domain for 1 year. So yeah, this is a way of how to create a website in an easy way on Wix. Hope this video helped you out. Have a like, subscribe, goodbye.